So teacher would like to say good morning class. Okay, welcome back to your distant online class. Today morning, teacher would like you to see the schedule again that we study in the first session about writing Tutor 2, okay? And the second session you are going to study about the blueprint, right? Anyway, last time you have learned Unit 4 already about great inventions. But your theme that you have learned about the narrative paragraph. So what does it mean paragraph mean to you everyone, and what does it mean narrative? When we talking about the narrative, it is talking about in the past action, past event, past activity that we just described again, okay? But actually, it also real about narrative paragraph. And the focus that you are going to continue on page 73 about the pre-writing. So in writing, the first time you have to do like some brainstorming first, okay? You have to do the brainstorming to what part of your lesson are you going to write about. And next you have to set about your goal of your writing, like in the paragraph they have consists like the title, okay? When you find the title already, you have to set up your like a topic sentence, supporting sentence, and concluding sentence. So without further delay, teacher would like you to see the next page. So you can open your book on page 73, you will see. But before moving that, teacher would like you to review again about the step to write a paragraph, okay? So, as you see that the format of the paragraph, we have a topic sentence, we have the supporting sentence and concluding sentence. But actually, before you start writing that, you have to do like pre-writing, drafting, revising, and proofreading. So pre-writing, you can outline what comes first, what to be next, okay? Drafting means you try to organize the text together as a paragraph, then you revise it, and proofreading meaning that you have to read it carefully again and check whether any mistake with the grammatical, with the like spelling, okay, punctuations in a lot. And proofreading mean when you read it again, and how do you feel with your paragraph writing. So you can find any mistake when you revise it and do the proofreading. The teacher would like to show you the example of a sandwich. So is a paragraph like a sandwich? You see that the sandwich, they have the bread between the top and bottom, and the middle they have meat, they have salad, they have potato, they have like egg, okay, like fried egg, have butter, okay. So the paragraph is look like this as well. So the top of the bread here can mean like like the topic sentence. So after you have the topic sentence, you have to elaborate more about the supporting sentence. Supporting sentence means you give more detail about your topic sentence, okay? And after that you have to do the concluding sentence, meaning that you close it. So let's move to the next, okay? So teacher would like you to see or review some vocabulary that you learned on page 72 before you move to page 73 this morning. So you have learned like the word skill, the word like solid, the word like accident, dangerous, explore, invented, and blow, okay? Skill can be I'm a teacher, this is my skill of teaching. Engineer, like repair person, okay, this is the skill. Solid, what does it mean solid, everyone? Solid and liquid, okay? What does it mean liquid? What does it mean solid? It deposit, okay? Accident, getting in injured, okay? Dangerous, okay, can be meeting with the risk, okay? explore, can be search, invented, can be like innovation or create something new. Blow can be blow the air from your mouth. Okay, you push your air from your mouth. So this is some word that you have learned on page 72. So now teacher would like you to match the definition between all these words with the three definitions. So A like able or likely to cause harm or injury. So what is the word that match to the definition, everyone? B, an unfortunate accident that happened unexpectedly and unintentionally, typically resulting in damage or injury. C, create or design something that has not existed before, for be the originator of. So can you match the definition? So teacher would like you to give the right one is C, to create or design. I mean invented. Okay, invented. What about a ball or likely to cause harm or injury? What's that? Can be dangerous. Okay, an unfortunate in accident. Okay, that happen unexpectedly and unintentionally, typically resulting in damage or injury. So we call accident. Okay. So now let's move to the next slide, everyone. You will see like you can see the picture here like a zipper. So the narrative paragraph that you are going to study in this unit about great inventions. So a zipper. So who invented zipper? Okay, the zipper was invented by Wycombe Johnson. Okay, an American mechanical engineer. So surprisingly, we use a zipper every day, but we don't know who created the zipper. Even me, I don't know it as well. But this like the interesting book, okay, guide me a lot with this. And you guys also have learned so far with the like type of invention, like Thomas Edison, like who made the phone. Okay, and then another one can be like Mark Zuckerberg. Okay, he not invented. He just the CEO or the owner of the Facebook. Okay. So now teacher would like you to see the next slide. Okay, so practice outline again that what is a zipper. This the whole text or definition teacher extracted from Wikipedia, so you can explore it more in the internet. Like zipper, we call it like zip, like fly, like digi, so zip fastener, like formerly known as a clasp lock or locker. You can say also clasp or locker. It's a commonly used device for binding the edge. Binding, connect together the edge, okay, side to side of an opening or of fabric. Fabric like clothes, okay. All other flexible materials such as on a garment or a badge. It is used in clothing, luggage, and other bags, supporting goods, camping gear, and other items. We use it a lot because of zipper, not only the function for the clothes only. Okay, we can use in the garment as well, in the bag and luggage. Some suitcase they use a zipper as well for like easier than using button. Okay. So now you can move to page 73. You will see the different picture from like the number one just about Wycombe's chosen, and number 2, 3, 4, and 5, and you also see like some of the clue. Okay, So can you looking back to the step of this activity? So what's supposed to be come first? Okay. So then you can try to define the topic sentence of that. So the detail that you have got here, we have a Johnson wanted to invent a device that could connect two things. Okay, invented in the device in 1891. The device was called the class locker. It is called a zipper today, used for clothes, bags. The zipper must be one of the greatest inventions in history. So what gonna be the first one, everyone? So the first one already done for you, like okay, White Johnson invented the zipper. And what are going to be next, everyone? You can see the picture. If you are not so sure with picture number 2, you can skip to picture number 3. You will see the zipper and we call like class locker also. So picture number 3, 4 and 2, the device was called class locker. Okay. What about picture number 4? Number 5? So now the teacher would like to check it for you, everyone. So you can see that the picture number 1 already done like for you. So picture number 2, okay, Johnson wanted to invent a device that could connect two things. So he showed the two different clothes, okay, and with the question mark mean he want to do something, okay, and he just want to create how can we connect the two clothes together. So now go to number 3. He pick up the zipper. Okay. So what about the picture number 3, everyone? You see the 18. You see the small letter like 1891. So invented device in 1891. Okay. So number 3, invented the device in 1891. What about number 4? Number 4, we call the device was called class lockers. And the last one, number 5. Number 5, everyone. You may find yourself, everyone, because our teacher already complete for you for 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay. So this is the detail. Okay. So can you define the topic sentence, everyone? The topic sentence you may define by yourself, but the title is about a zipper. Okay. You can define like a great man who invented the zipper. Okay, by yourself. So this is the end of your lesson today, everyone. So teacher would like to say thank you so much for your paying attention on this video. If you have any question, you can drop down into the group and the teacher will try to the best to help you and to answer your questions. Make it best, everyone. So don't forget to copy this lesson to your textbook and complete it. And thank you and see you in the second session. Goodbye, class.